welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Andy. Thank you so much for joining us here today at Andy's Candy. Today's video, as you can see by the title down below, it's going to be a foxy eye, kind of cat eye, simple makeup look with a popping red cherry lip. So if you can tell, today's video is inspired by the Christmas season, which we are now in. Y'all, listen. Y'all, the year flew by so fast because how we at Christmas already. But I'm so happy to be here. I feel jolly. I feel thankful to have made it to Christmas because a lot of persons haven't made it. God rest their souls. But I just felt like decorating a bit. You can see, like, I have my TV decorated with my stocking. I have some nice Christmas instrumental music playing in the background. And yeah, if y'all are interested in seeing how I create the foxy cat eye look, then please keep on watching. Also, I apologize if the lighting isn't the best. I decided to record in my room and I wanted to use natural lighting, but some clouds came out, so it's a bit groggy outside and I didn't know if the lighting was gonna be okay. So I have my ring light set up, but I don't have all of my umbrella studio lights set up like I usually do for my makeup tutorials. So I hope that the lighting is okay, and I hope that you guys still can enjoy this video, and I hope that it still is a good quality video. So as you can see, I already have my base, aka my foundation, down. I set it and everything. I did blush, highlight, so I'm strictly just going to be doing my eyeshadow, which is going to be very simple, as I said, and then I'm going to be doing my lip. So this video should be nice and short and straight to the point. Okay, so my eyes have already been prepped and primed, and I've already set it with powder. I'm going to take my Juvia's Place, the Nubian palette, and I'm going to go in with this brown shade. And this is just going to be my transition color. So I'm taking it on a fluffy brush. Based on the pictures I've seen of the fox eye trend, most of the shadows tend to be on the outer corner, and I guess it gives it that lifted look, so it's kind of like winged out. So we're going to be focusing more on the outer corner and then bringing the shadows in on the inner corner, just so that it can have a seamless blend. So I'm just taking that brown and I'm just patting that in, and then I'm gonna buff it out. I hope my fan isn't too loud. I wasn't gonna turn it on because it's fairly cool, but after I turned on the ring light, that attracted some heat and I don't want to sweat while sitting in front of y'all doing my makeup. So I have the fan on low and I hope it's not too disturbing. Okay, so my transition color is down. I know you probably can't notice a difference, but the transition color is going to play a major role in blending out the next eyeshadow I put down. But what I'm going to do first is line my eyes with a black liner. I'm going to do the cat eye, and then I'm going to buff that out and then add the other eyeshadow color, if that makes sense. Y'all, please ignore my crusty nails. So next, I'm taking my NYX Jumbo pencil in black, and I'm just going to take a pointed eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use this to put down my black liner. I'm just going to start at my lash line, and you don't have to worry about being too careful because we're going to blend this out anyway. So I'm just doing strokes. And as I get to the outer corner, then I'm going to start lifting it a bit. Because remember I mentioned that the cat eye is supposed to have a lifted effect. So that's what we're going to do. Start off thin on the inner corner and then go wider as we get out.
But not me double checking to see if it's symmetrical and noticing that it ain't and just ignoring it. Ciao,
So
please.
I can always go in with some brown to soften up the black, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. I'm going to use this dark brown shade called Kenya, and I'm taking this on another like pencil like brush, and I'm going to just buff out the edges of that liner. So just use a very light hand and basically rub it out. Now I'm gonna take Morocco. This is like a orange, a burnt orange shade. I'm gonna take it on this pointed eyeshadow brush. I ain't gonna lie, a lot of times I don't know the names of these brushes, but because I want the look to be precise, I'm trying to use more pointed, more dense brushes that would be focused on the area I put the eyeshadow. Just putting that above the last brown shade that I used. And then I'm going back in with this pointed brush, and I'm going to take the darkest shade out of the Nubian palette just to set where I put the eyeliner. I'm going to go in underneath my eye with that same liner, and then I'm going to smudge it out with the dark eyeshadow. Okay, so now for the moment that I was really anticipating is doing the actual cap inner corner. I've never tried it before, and I have hooded eyes, so I don't know how it's going to play out, but I'm going to be using this waterproof eyeliner by Amuse. I think it costs like $2. I got it from Color Cafe, so you probably could find this at any beauty supply store, but it's waterproof, so I'm hoping that if my eye waters I don't be like crying black over here. I should probably turn off my fan. Anyways, let's just cross our fingers and see how this goes. Why my hand feel like it's shaking? Okay, so it's working out. I'm gonna do an actual wing to connect it so it don't look too weird. I'm gonna try and perfect this inner cat eye a little bit more. Could you tell the difference? Like, does this one look more lifted, more sultry, more seductive? I like this. Let's see if I can get this eye symmetrical, and then we'll move on to the lips and lashes, and then we're done. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna bother with it any further. I'm just gonna add some mascara now and then add my lashes. Okay, y'all, so my lashes are on. And I really wish I had my natural lashes so that it wouldn't have hide like the wing and all of that. But I was having the hardest time getting this right eye on, which happens all the time. And I think I end up getting glue like on my lid. So this eye isn't like how I would have wanted it. But I'm still going to give y'all a close up. So this is how it's looking. So y'all, I'm really happy with the way that the look came out. I like the cat eye look. It's giving me Chinese vibes or whatever you would call it. So now I'm going to move on to, oh, actually before I move on, I can't forget to give my brow bone a nice pop. So I'm gonna use my Ruby Kisses All Over Glow in the shade Light Glow, and I'm just gonna take this random brush, take some of that on, and then lightly dust that beneath my arch, and then this just gives the eye a more lifted look. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to lips. I just want to do like a bright popping red lip. I want this lip look to be very red, but I can't go without using eyeliner or lip liner of some sort. So I'm gonna lightly line my lips with this black liner, and then I'm gonna put the lip gloss on top. Okay, so I'm using this AOA Studio Wonder Matte lipstick in the shade Scandal. I get these lipsticks from one of my old coworkers. Her name is Erneshka, and she sells them for I think $5. They're great quality. Don't mind the price. They're great quality. They're very matte. The only time they would ever smudge is if you eat something really greasy. It might transfer a bit, but it never like completely wipes off. It lasts all day long, and I love it. So if y'all interested in purchasing some of these lipsticks, then just let me know in the comment section down below. I can probably forward you to her Facebook page, or we can somehow exchange numbers or something of that sort. But Neshka, if you're watching this video, shout out to you, girl. Use the plug with these lipsticks. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lip, and I hope that the black liner tones it down a bit because I don't want it to be too bright, but I want it to pop. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I didn't fix my hair because I don't know how to, but I'll get there when I get there. But in the meantime, bear with me. Also, I know y'all notice my nails are a breakup. I'm trying to get that sorted out soon. I broke my nail, like actually broke my nail off the nail bed, so I was waiting for it to heal before I like try to fix it or anything. So if y'all could just ignore that after I brought attention to it, then that'd be great. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it was very straightforward and easy, and I hope that you like it and that you try it and that you let me know how it worked out for you. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It's simplistic, but it's kind of like elegant at the same time. I hope this video gets y'all more into the Christmas spirit. I know it helped me get more into the Christmas spirit because a few days ago I was not really feeling Christmas. I don't know why, but 'tis the season to be jolly. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Much love to y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.